So today in this lesson, what we'll be doing is we'll be adding numbers under base 2. Okay, so this question was taken from Jamb, number 24 2006. The question is to compute 110011 base 2 plus 11111 base 2. Okay, so we are going to add up these numbers. Now one thing you must know is that under base 10, when we're adding numbers, once the number exceeds 10, we have to put a particular single number down, then carry the number forward. Same thing we are applying to this base 2 addition. 110011. Now whenever you want to write these numbers like this, not to actually confuse yourself, is to start with the number here at this position, right? So the way I would do it is I'll start with the first number 11111. So this is 1 2 3 4 5, right? So that's the correct way to write it, because if you should start here, you'll be making a mistake. So it's better to start with this first number, write it here, then continue. Now as we're adding up these numbers, 1 plus 1 will give me 2, right? But that 2 I'm getting now, I can't write it down because this is binary number, this is base 2. Now any number when added, if it gives you 2 or more than 2, must be broken down to zeros and 1. Now how do we break these numbers into zeros and 1? Just the way we did for the conversion of numbers from base 10 to base 2, that's what we do. So if I want to write down 2 now, I'll first of all have to break down 2 to zeros and 1. So 2 can divide 2, I will get 1 remaining, what? Nothing, that's 0. Then finally, once we get to this place where the end here is 1, all we need to do is say 2 into that 1 cannot go, so I'll say 0 now, remaining this one that is here. Yeah, so it means 2 is the same thing as, remember we're writing upwards, so this will give me 1 what? 0. So in this case, since we've gotten 1 0, just like what we did for that one, we added a number and we got maybe a number that is exceeding 15, then we have to put 5 then carry 1. Same thing we'll do here, we'll put down 0, carry 1. So here to the next position, this is 1 plus 1 2 plus this extra one we have here, that's 3. So 3, I have to break down 3 by 2. So 2 into 3, that should give me 1 remaining, what? 1. Finally, once we get to this place, you know what to do. 2 into 1 cannot, 0 remember this one that is here. So it means 3 is equals 1 1, right? So now I have 1 1, I'll put down 1, carry 1 forward, right? So here now I have what? 1. So 0 plus this 1 we have here is 1, plus this 1 that was carried to this place, that's 2. Now we already did the division for 2, which is 1 0. So put down 0, carry 1 again, move the 1 to this point. 0 plus 1, that should give me 1, plus this 1 that was carried forward, that should give me 2, which is 1 and 0. So we'll put down 0, carry that 1, so we'll put that 1 here. So 1, this 1 that is here, plus this 1 that we have here should be 2, plus this 1 that was carried to this place, that's 3, right? So we've already broken down 3, and 3 is equals 1 1, right? So it means I can put down 1, then take the 1 to the next position, that's this one. So we just have only 1 here, so 1 plus this 1 added, that will be 2, and we know 2 is 1 0. Now since we are at the final position, we can actually stop here. We can write the whole of the number, that's 1 0. So this should give me the answer for the addition process. If I want to go through this question again, this is 1 plus 1, which gave me 2. Now we have to break down the 2 down to this point, and the equivalent in base 2 of 2, the equivalent of 2 in base 2 is 1 and 0. So put down 0, carry this 1, that's what we put here. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus this 1 that is there, it gives me 3. I think it gave me 3. So that 3, now we broke that 3 into numbers under base 2. So we got 3 is equals 1 1. So we put down the 1, take 1 forward, carry the 1 forward. So 0 plus this 1 is 1, plus this one we have here, that's 2. We already know 2, and 2 is 1 0, so that's why we'll put down 0, carry 1 forward. 0 plus this one is 1, plus this extra one we have here, that's 2 again. So you can see it's like a cycle. So we'll put down the 0, carry 1 again, move the 1 forward. 1 plus this one is what? 2, plus that extra one we carried forward, that's 3. This is the equivalent for 3 in base 2. So put down 1, carry 1. So that one, that's what we wrote here. So we just have only one that is here. We add that one to this one, which gives us 2. That 2 must be broken down to an equivalent in base 2. So that's what I wrote here. That's 1 0. So the answer for the addition of 1 1 0 0 1 1 plus 1 1 1 1 1 give us 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. Alright, so I'll see you in the next lesson. And anywhere probably you don't understand or you couldn't recall, you can go back, pause, rewind, and get a proper understanding of this addition process, because these are the things Jamb actually wants you to know, and these are the basic things in binary numbers. Right, so see you in the next lesson.